Hirapan ha. Yung ano? I just realized it's still on choke. There you go. Bump. okay? Your hands okay? Okay. You want to hop off? We need a heater. We need a heater. Yeah. That damn thing's so wild. You having fun? Are you giving you enough room?
Yeah.
Okay. I hold one. Huh?
Are you all the way up by the gas tank?
Yeah? My balls is on top of it.
Turn around on that way.
You're not taking this way. You want it?
No?
Okay. Did it really rip it? You hold it on tight. I did. You okay? Sounds like you had trouble back there. What? You don't want to fly back? Well, why? It's not fun. Well, I'm driving. I can't work. Or we will go head on with a truck. They don't need a snowmobile for the snow. You just buy this or your YD80. And they come with rim windows too. Huh? What? Yeah. What? Oh. Oh. See, we bumped heads. Hold on. Oh, you never seen this before? What are you looking at? I see them. You're fast enough. Huh? Plastic. I bet. Is that a good enough ride for you? You did it, you really? Oh, almost fall down. Huh? What? What?
Are you leaving again?
Yeah? Why? Huh?
I said I thought we were done.
I thought you were done.
You was done. Then you probably want to go park here.
Happened, yes. Hey, don't do that. It backfired and I almost put my hand on fire. She's at a really high though. Calm down. Yeah. Don't do it in the camera though. You can have it.
Are you going for like another 10-minute ride?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
We will be inside.
Okay. I took her on a bike ride because she had a little bike, so she went on a bike ride with me. But now that it's me and you, boys, now we can be really risky. I didn't want to go too fast with her on it. Man, this bike feels so real now when it's not two people. Man, this motherfucker, this thing is so fast when you don't have nobody in the back and it's just you do. Telling you what, my boy. Monkey back there. Who was that? Not me. I won't ever have that. I did that really bad. That was really bad. Really, I ever did in my whole lifetime. Cause it felt weird with no gloves on. Cause now I can feel everything. It is weird, and I was to it yet. Okay, back in socket. Good. I think as a cop, if so, I'm fucking cooked, dude. I'm going into jail. But not. Okay. Thank God, dude. I would be so cooked. Yeah, on the Dodger Terminal, on that way to do. Who's seen that? Okay, I probably want to park this bike before I get in trouble. Because I felt that was a cop, and if it was, I was going to do. Yeah, it wasn't going to be good if that was a cop. Holy cow, dude. It's a pretty good job. Oh yeah, not bad. I think someone know I'm back home. Oh, it's not neutral. But this time, I have the air filter on this time. So, yeah. She might be a little more happy at me now. But yeah, I will park this next to my girlfriend's car because I might go on another bike ride with you guys. But I don't know what now. Because I almost pooped in my pants because I thought it was a cop, but it wasn't. So, but yeah, she's a nice bike. Most of the time I just keep it on half, and then the gas go all the way out of the carburetor just in case, you know, I don't want the lights for the residue bit of windshield. Because I don't want to wet gas in the carburetor when it sits in my opinion, I think that's not the way I think you should go. But yeah, she's gonna go with a nice bike. Look at the knobbies. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys like the rating. I did you a bit better job this time. But yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Peace out and be safe. And run fast. Do anything you want. Just, you know, stay away from drugs and know, do what you swim do. What the hell was that? I need a new shock. I mean, they're not bad, but they're just really bumpy. But yeah, you guys ride safe and be safe on everything you got going on, and have a good day. Peace out.